They make the religion is a game. They make the religion just amusement, like just making a fun. And that's what we can see today. For example, New Year. These are the things which is paganism. They are just like fun only. And that fun is not good fun. It's very harmful. There are millions of people who get hurt with this one night only. And that's in the name of religion, in the name of culture, in the name of socialized or civilized life. But it is all evil because there are lots of evil on that night and they call it a celebration. They link it with the religion. But what's happened that night? And that night, their people are going to lose billions of dollars. They're going to hurt themselves by drinking lots of alcohol, doing some fireworks, and doing so many other things which is not called as people who are called themselves civilized people. Shouting, hurting each other, especially these firecrackers which can burn the houses of the people, which can damage the hands of the people, which can burn the face, which can burn the houses, which can burn the electric wires. So these all are evil things. It is not the way of celebration that you are destroying the other people. The celebration is not the way that you are going to harm other people. So these kind of things should not be tolerated. There should be the strict system to stop all these things because it's very dangerous for the human life. Only on the December 31st night until the morning, all around the world, there are thousands of people are going to be killed. And there are hundreds of thousands of people, even the millions of people are going to hurt in just one night. And they are going to lose hundreds of billions of dollars in just one night, which can be good enough for feed all the poor people in the world. There are hundreds of millions of people in the world. They're hungry. They have no food. And that one night celebration, it costs hundreds of billions of dollars worldwide just for nothing, just for wasting. Just for wasting. So that is not the good teachings. The good religion teaches the good things. That don't waste your money, rather help that money for the poor people for the sake of God. That is the right way of practices and not the evil way of the practices, just wasting the money, harming other people, hurting other people. What is the benefit of these kind of things? Like example, the fireworks. The fireworks, some people, some religious people, they call it the devil run away with the fireworks. It's a lie. Devil is made from the fire. Devil likes the fire. The devil will not go away from you. Rather, devil will be dancing in front of you. And devils will be dancing in front of you because they like the fire, because they want people to hurt with the fire. So don't follow the paganism. Don't follow the evil practices. Do something good for the humanity. Do something good that your money will not be wasting for nothing. Rather, that money can be helped for the people to feed them, to educate them, to give them medicines or whatever the good things you can do with that money, and not just for one night evil celebration to destroy that money for nothing. May Allah guide us, may Allah forgive us.